In today's video, I'll be showing you how to place an order in the US pre-market trading session. Pre-market trading allows you to place trades to manage your positions without having to wait until the regular trading sessions begin. This offers unique opportunities when compared to trading the regular session. The earlier opening time means that you can trade US shares without staying up late into the evening. Being able to trade before the market opens also lets you trade price-sensitive announcements that are released before the market opens. While the regular US trading session begins at 9:30 a.m. New York time, which is midnight Australia Eastern Daylight Savings Time, the pre-market trading session for the US market begins at 4 a.m. New York time, which is 7 p.m. Sydney time. You can also queue orders before the session opens, and they will be released when the pre-market trading session starts. Due to the differences between the pre-market and regular trading sessions, there are some unique risks associated with trading the US pre-market session. These include wider spreads, lower liquidity, and higher volatility. We've included a link in the video description with more information on these risks. Now let's have a look at how to place a US pre-market order. You can submit pre-market orders at any time, as long as it's not during the regular US trading session. First, click Buy or Sell Stock. Then, type in the name of the ticker code of the US stock you want to trade and choose whether you want to buy or sell shares. In this example, I'll be buying some Apple shares. Next, select the number of or total value of shares that you want to buy as you normally would. We can select our trading session. By default, regular will be selected, so we will need to select pre-market plus regular. When selecting the price type, it's a little different to placing a regular order. Unlike in the regular trading session, only limit orders are available when trading the pre-market session. This is due to the potential for higher spreads and volatility during the pre-market session. Enter your limit price in the box below. Just as a reminder, for a buy order, your limit is the maximum price you're willing to pay per share, while for a sell order, it's the minimum price you're willing to accept. When you're ready, click Review Order to view your quote. Then click Confirm Order to place the order. If your order was submitted to the pre-market session successfully, you will be redirected to the order information screen as shown here. It's important to note that the pre-market session typically has much lower volume than the regular session. Because of this, sometimes the order won't be filled during the pre-market session. If this is the case, there's no need to worry, as your order will simply be carried over into the regular trading session. And that's it. You now know how to place an order in the US pre-market trading session.